Hello, subdies. Welcome to my channel. To my new subscribers. Hi, my name is Lily, and I recreate eyeshadow looks. In today's video, I'm going to recreate this wolf glam I did a year ago. So as you can see, I'm starting from the beginning. I'm going to begin with doing my eyebrows, and yes, I prep my skin before I add any other product. Once I give it a shape, I carved it out. With a concealer today, I'm using the NYX 24 Hours Concealer. And also going to add the Morphe eyeshadow primer. Let me grab my favorite hack tool. And before you start judging, let me tell you that I've seen more 10,000 people using it. So I know it fucking works for me, so yeah. Anyways, let's continue. I'm going to grab this tiny flat brush, and I'm going to sketch a cut crease shape. Using a dark brown eyeshadow, I'm gently depositing it into this line. With a small blending brush, I'm going to blend it out using a nude beige eyeshadow until I diffuse any harsh lines. With a tiny pencil brush and going gently deposit a black eyeshadow on top of the line we already created. Once I see how smooth and blended the finish is, I slowly build up the black eyeshadow pigment. Then I go back in with the same concealer and clean it to have a clean, sharp crease. While I'm doing some extra touches, I realize my cut crease is not as high up as my other video in ways. Let's continue. This is my second time attempting to do this wolf glam look. As my other video, I will link below so you guys can see the difference. I did that last year and uploaded in a short reel. Not knowing that it has been successful content anyways, let's continue. Also, I don't want the same products I use, but I'm making it work with what I own right now. Here, just going to set the crease with a nude eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and start doing my base. With the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade Medium Beige C25. I'm going in with the e.l.f. liquid bronzer and contour in the shade medium brown. And sub B's, this is usually my contour technique. I'm going to highlight the focal points of my face using the same concealer from NYX 24 Hours Concealer. Using all these products, and recommendation if you want the look to last all night during a Halloween party or event. This is my favorite drugstore products. Then I'm going to add the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in the shade Cherry Lychee. Sub B is just a reminder for every liquid product. Want to set it with a powder product. For example, liquid bronzer, powder bronzer, if that makes sense. Here I'm going over with e.l.f. bronzer and contour powder palette, just around the placement of our liquid bronzer. Then with the e.l.f. HD translucent powder, I am baking the focal point of my face and gently pressing the remaining product all over my face. Just retouch my contour placement because I want to be really noticeable. I also love my nose contour to be sharp and noticeable. That's just how I like it. Then I'm going in with the e.l.f. blush palette and I'm going to grab this pinky shade. Then with the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in the shade medium brown, I'm going to create the illusion of hair. Around the contour placement, I'm going to begin in my nose first, slightly stroking towards my eyebrows. You want to create a bushy eyebrow and nose hair, if that makes any sense. Staring in the fourth head, I'm going to gently stroke towards my hairline, gently working my way down my cheekbones. With a flat eyeliner brush, sub B's, I recreate this Wolf Glam just for one of my viewers, and it's not as perfect as my first one, but I wanted With a white liquid eyeliner, I'm going to create a little circle on the cubic bone and continue to create some sharp bang on the lower lip. If you own any face paint, you can definitely use it for this part. But like I have been saying in my entire videos, I only work with eyeshadows and some other makeup products. With a red lip liner, I'm going to outline my underlip and fill it in around those sharp teeth we create. Here, just going to create a wig line using a black eyeshadow. You can also replace it with a liquid liner, but in this case, I work better with eyeshadows. My wing line, but I still have trouble doing it on my personality. If you just started following me, yes, I only have a couple of months, actually a year or so, doing makeup on myself, and yes, now I just do it for fun and I see it like a hobby. Since I gave birth to my last child, I decided to be a stay-home mom, so I retired from that for now. Every now and then I do someone's. Makeup and hair is usually my closest friend, but clients. I'm also creating an under lash liner to bring it all the way to my inner corner and living in Here I'm going to clean it up and give it a pointy finish, kind of like a cat eye.